Well, Pearl's away working at her dad's place. As y'all know, he passed. If you don't know, he passed away this past year. So they're out there working on getting things cleaned up. Had a request from Gladys and Kenny. They were asking if we had a tour of our camper. We've had our camper for so long. We got it in 2006. It's a 2000 Fleetwood Mallard. We've had it since '06. So, yeah, to us, it's a camper. Sorry, doesn't have no name. Either we call it camper or mallard or one or the other. So we'll go through and kind of give you a walk around. It's typical. This is a normal camp setup. Our chairs are out. Got our awning out. Got our carpet down. I'm cooking some lunch. Quite a bit on the grill, but that's kind of our latest configuration here. Got a propane tank hooked up to it, so I don't have to worry about spending a ton of money on those little bottles. But in the back's nothing too much. Just storage is kind of tight, but then again, it's just a camper. We use the most we got is 2 weeks. Up on top up there, you'll see a that's our little cell phone booster. We use that to get some better internet. You're gonna hear some clanking because I'm putting my stick down. But anyways, I just run it in through the window, and that gets us a nice signal. Otherwise, your cell phones are like in a tin can. Typical electric hookup, water hookup, furnace, all this other good stuff is part of it. But it just got a bath. Gave it a bath last week, so it's looking pretty right now for a 22-year-old camper. And we'll head on inside and show you what the interior is like. I'll put some links here or somewhere for Gladys and Kenny's channel, so you can go over there and check it out. They're a really cute couple. You can tell they love each other to pieces. We've been following them for quite a while. Discovered that we were both in Japan in 2019 when a major typhoon came through and kind of came through the Tokyo area and stuff. So we've been kind of following each other ever since. And they got some really cool videos. They were just down in Argentina and down by about as far south as you can go, and they had all kinds of penguins and out on glacier ice, and it was just cool. So definitely go over there and check out their channel because they're fun to watch. Well, welcome to the inside of our camper. We've a lot of years in this. By the way, the model is a 26M, so it's a Fleetwood Mallard 26M. The box area here is 26 feet. From hitch to bumper, it's 30 feet. So we will, I guess, give you the grand tour then and let you check it all out. All right, this is a working weekend, so I guess we'll start over here at the table. Right now I got my laptop set up. Normally we just have dinner here, maybe do a little bit of computing. But right now I'm working on one of the Amish Lake Life, Buggy Life. This is the video where we're in Berlin checking out all the shopping. And oh, by the way, guess who's there? Hey, Chuck and Cherie. Yep, I'm watching you too on the side there. Anyways, oh, check out their show. Check out their channel, En Route with Chuck and Cherie. Hold on, let's see. They talk. Oh, looky. They talk. So anyways, so definitely check out Chuck and Cherie. They're cool. And I've been following them for a long time too. So, but yep, head on over. I'll throw some links and stuff for them. All right, so anyways, so dining area, table folds down, makes a bed, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, original cabinetry and stuff. The galley area, just nice little galley. Usually Pearl and I can squeak through. It was a little bit different when there were 4 kids here. When there was 4 of us with the 2 kids. But microwave, original stove, original hot water heater, which is down in there. original refrigerator. I think it's an 8 cubic foot. Sofa or our little couch here. Not very comfortable. It's seen its years. Oh, and I'm going through all my tech. So while Pearl's working, I'm working. I'm cleaning, doing some YouTube videos. This is all I threw everything in a basket from our trip to the Smokies. So all my extra batteries, my extra GoPros, the Sony. I keep it all in a little basket, or most of it actually goes in my GoPro bag too. Entertainment wise, just got a simple little TV here. It's on a Chromecast, talking to either the laptop or either talking Chromecast on the internet, talking to the cell phone in the back, or I can plug my cell phone in and share the screen. Continue on. Oh, this is our map. We got this at the Gay Dolphin in South Carolina. I don't know if I have a video on it yet or not. Can't remember. It's been 2 years since we've been there, and that video is coming soon. It's coming up on the thing. But anyways, and here's some of our favorite places. Old Man's Cave, Natural Bridge in Kentucky. This is kind of like our home camp, Cowan Lake State Park. That's one of our favorite campgrounds, Evergreen, Cedar Point. And then this is another one of our favorites, Huntington Beach State Park. Yep, we did the Disney thing. So anyways, we've covered Michigan, New York, all the various states. We do have North Carolina under our belt. We need a magnet. So I'm thinking we're going to go to the Gay Dolphin and get us a magnet instead of ordering it on Amazon. So that's kind of where we've been. Haven't been over here much. Mostly this area here. Hopefully someday we'll get more magnets, and this camper is the one that's been to all that places. So anyways, heading into our little simple bathroom. It's a bathroom. Somebody broke the toilet last year. Someone's large posterior exceeded something, and the flange to the floor cracked and broke, so we had to get I got that fixed this year going into the season. We get some lights going here, and the bedroom is just simple bed, couple cabinets, cell phone booster is over there. It's a little Wii Boost, and that's pretty much it for the trailer. A lot of our upgrades here, our modern upgrades, is we put in some LED lights when we went dry camping in the Smokies. So that's our camper. So there's the full tour. Not a lot to see, but it's served us many years. So hopefully in the next year or so we'll be going to a new one, because this is getting a bit old and getting a bit much to take care of. So I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe I'll show some more videos of our camping trip. This one will actually be coming up almost in real time. Almost done with the Lake Life, Buggy Life series, so I'll be throwing this out in between series. So this should be coming out actually pretty soon. I'll throw this up in between the weeks or something. But anyways, that's it for now. So Gladys and Kenny, I hope this tour was good. If you haven't, you guys need to go check out their schoolie. They got this awesome schoolie that that their dad helped build for them. That thing just rocks. I mean, it is beautiful inside. So, anyways, now I'm done. Look who I found. She's back.
I'm back.
You back?
Uh-huh.
I thought I got rid of her. Nope, she's back.
Nope, like a bad penny, I returned.
All right, so I got the different lens on here today. Uh-oh. So we're just gonna do the loop and then walk around?
Yeah, we can do that.
This one and hit on our way? All right. Rough decision, we figured it out. I've got a different lens on here, and it is not. See, we're both not fitting.
No,
so,
we're not.
Okay, I'm going to have to put the Max Mod lens back on.
Yeah, well, now you know.
Yep, I know. Yep, taking her out and walking her. She should be wanting to rest after working all day.
I know, but it's such a nice park.
Okay.
I like to. I still have a little bit of energy for a walk.
There'll be videos coming out on it.
On
this, eventually.
Eventually.
This one's coming out quicker than later.
Yeah.
Oh, There's some horsies.
Oh, is that the noisy one we've been hearing?
Yeah, I think so.
Is it happy?
Maybe. It says, no, I don't want to go back. Maybe I don't want to go back. Yeah. I'm happy where I'm at, out in nature. There's our camper way over there.
I like being way over there, actually.
Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.